Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why you should trust Remitly. When it comes to sending money internationally, trust is a major factor. So, why should you trust Remitly? Remitly is a legitimate and secure service that is regulated by financial authorities in every country it operates in. This means they must follow strict rules to protect your money and personal information. Remitly uses advanced security technology. This includes encryption to protect your data during transfers and a fraud detection system that monitors for suspicious activity. They also have a verification process to confirm your identity and ensure your account is secure. Another reason to trust them is their delivery guarantee. If your money doesn't arrive by the promised time, they will refund your fees. They also have 24/7 customer support available to assist you with any questions or issues. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.